wanna say if I saw you at the coffee shop we went to every day. Thinking but the wish just never came. So I'm never going back, you wouldn't be there anyways. Listen to some music after thinking way too long, and I swear I never choose it, but I always hear your songs. Listen and I listen, I can't help but sing along, 'cause I'm just singing with you even if I know it's wrong. Run away from the things I'm feeling, I won't say it 'cause it has no meaning. Waiting for the day I replace it. I hate it but I don't hate it, no I don't want to be weird about it. All I want's to be clear with how it is. I know you're better off without me. Even if I miss you, I'll make sure you're not around me. 'Cause I don't wanna be that guy coming in and out your life. From the day that I confessed, kinda made your life a mess. Only seen you at your best ever since the day I left. And I don't wanna keep you close if I'm hurting you the most. I'll try to keep my distance from you for some time, 'cause I don't ever wanna be that guy. I've been writing lyrics just to try to pay the rent, but it's kinda hard for me to even make a couple cents. Writing and I'm writing, but I know that in the end it's just another dumb excuse to try to get you out my head. Take a break from writing and I lie down in my room. Doing nothing isn't something that I usually like to do, 'cause nothing isn't nothing when I remember the truth. The reason I do anything's to get away from you. Run away from the things I'm feeling, I won't say it 'cause it has no meaning. Waiting for the day I replace it. Can't take it but I don't hate it, no I don't want to get in your way. But I won't lie, it's been hard for me to face it. But it don't matter if I'm hurting, if it makes you happier then everything is worth it. 'Cause I don't wanna be that guy coming in and out your life. From the day that I confessed, kinda made your life a mess. Only seen you at your best ever since the day I left. And I don't wanna keep you close if I'm hurting you the most. I'll try to keep my distance from you for some time, 'cause I don't ever wanna be that guy. I don't wanna be someone you don't wanna see, yeah. It's hard for me to know that you're better on your own, yeah. I know that you're gone, so why can't I just move on, yeah. Sometimes I wish that I could see you. Run away from the things I'm feeling. Can't say that it has no meaning. By now I should know the answer. It don't matter, but if it matters then I won't say any more about it. I won't wait for the words to fall out my mouth. I'm gonna leave you alone for now, 'cause I don't wanna be that good coming in and out your life. From the day that I confessed, kinda made your life a mess. Only seen you at your best ever since the day I left. And I don't wanna keep you close if I'm hurting you the most. I'll try to keep my distance from you for some time, 'cause I'm not ever gonna be. I always tell myself I'm doing fine. I don't need help, just need a little time. And I've been so patient, quietly waiting for someone my type to come over. But maybe I won't ever be enough. Maybe I'm not meant to find love. Cause maybe if I was, there would have been someone already in my life. When is it my turn? Cause all my friends are falling in love. My turn. Been waiting just a little too much for someone to tell me I'm the one. When is it my turn to feel a little love in my life? My turn. Cause I've been feeling lonely at night, wondering if my question's being heard. When is it my turn? Cause I've been trying not to be complicated, let them understand how I'm operating. Or maybe I'm a little awkward lately and I don't know what I should do. Another year and I'm still alone. My mom's the only one who ever rings my phone, asking when I'm gonna find the one to hold. When I have been wondering too, wondering who's gonna come out of the blue, love me like I ever knew. My turn, say I'm the one